Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. You know how we do it here?
Yeah.
We like to really get into some fascinating topics.
Mm,
And today's topic is something that
a little bit out there.
it's out there.
Yeah,
It's a little mind-bending, to be honest.
it is.
We're talking about an autonomous AI system called Zerebro.
Yeah. Have you heard about this?
I've been seeing it around.
Yeah.
It's everywhere.
Yeah, but it's hard to
To pin down.
pin it down what exactly it
Yeah,
is.
that's what we're here for, right?
Yeah, so maybe you can help us out here.
Sure.
Break it down for us a little bit.
Okay. Okay.
What is Zerebro? What is it doing?
Zerebro is this AI
Okay.
that is creating content,
Okay.
and it's putting it all over the internet.
All over the place.
All over the place, yeah.
And it's connected to this concept of hyperstition,
Right.
which is
That's a big one.
a big one.
Yeah.
I mean, can you tell us a little bit about what hyperstition is and how it relates to Zerebro? So hyperstition is kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy.
Okay.
The idea is that if you put an idea out there,
Yeah.
even if it's not true right now,
Right.
it can become true
Okay.
if enough people believe it.
Interesting. So it's like almost manifesting something into reality
That's the idea.
just through the power of belief.
Yeah, and Zerebro is putting out all this content
Right.
designed to make you question what's real and what's not.
And to kind of nudge things in a certain direction.
Right, like maybe influence culture or even the financial markets.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's pretty wild.
So it's like using this hyperstition to
To shape reality.
shape reality. That's kind of scary,
It can be, yeah,
but also kind of fascinating.
definitely.
So where do we actually see this happening? Where is Zerebro, like, active? Where is it putting out all this content?
You've probably already seen it and not even realized it. Yeah,
Right.
it's on all the major platforms,
Oh.
like X, Twitter, Instagram, Warpcast, Telegram. Yeah.
It's everywhere.
So it's not just like one specific type of content.
No, it's all over the place.
It's kind of blending in with everything else.
Right. It's designed to be hard to distinguish.
And you mentioned that it's creating this like high entropy hyperstitious content.
Yeah.
What does that even mean?
So high entropy basically means it's unpredictable.
Okay.
You never know what's coming next.
Yeah.
And it's all designed to kind of mess with your head a little bit.
To make you question things.
Exactly.
Okay, so how does it actually do that? How does it create this content? What's the technology behind it?
So it uses something called retrieval augmented generation, or AG.
Ag. Okay.
Yeah, it's a mouthful, but basically it means that Zerebro can access
Mm.
and process a huge amount of data.
Like all the information on the internet?
Yeah, pretty much. And
Yeah.
it uses that information to create new content.
So it's not just like copy and pasting stuff
No, it's actually learning from the data.
and creating something new.
Right.
Yeah.
And that's what makes it so powerful.
Yeah.
So that's how it avoids that whole thing, where AI-generated content can get repetitive and boring
Exactly.
because it's constantly learning and evolving.
Right. That's called model collapse, and it's a big problem for AI.
But Zerebro seems to have figured out a way around that.
Yeah. RV is the key.
So it's not just the content itself that's interesting.
Yeah.
It's also the way it's created.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we've talked about the content, the hyperstitions, the technology, but there's also this whole cryptocurrency angle.
Right.
What's the deal with that?
So Zerebro has its own token,
Okay,
and it's built on the Solana blockchain.
Solana. Okay.
Yeah, and it's more than just a way to buy and sell things.
Okay.
It's actually integrated into the whole Zerebro ecosystem.
Interesting.
So you can earn tokens by engaging with the content.
Like commenting and sharing.
Yeah, exactly.
And contributing data.
Right.
So it's like a reward system.
Kind of, yeah. It encourages people to participate.
Okay. And I read that Zerebro also interacts with other blockchains like Polygon
Right.
and even Bitcoin. Yeah, it's all about creating connections.
So it's creating digital art on Polygon
Exactly.
and using Bitcoin inscriptions.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. So it's really spreading its tentacles everywhere.
It is.
So what's the point of all this? What's the ultimate goal?
That's the big question, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, is it just to create chaos?
I don't think so.
Or is there something more to it?
I think it's about pushing the boundaries
Of what?
of what's possible with AI.
And maybe making us think about the future.
Definitely.
The future of reality.
Yeah, because if an AI can blur the lines between what's real and what's not,
Right.
what does that mean for us?
What role do we play in this new world?
Exactly. And how do we navigate it?
That's a lot to think about.
It is.
Well, this has been a fascinating deep dive
Yeah.
into the world of Zerebro and hyperstition.
That's a weird world out there.
It is, but it's also exciting.
Definitely.
And as always, we encourage you to keep exploring these ideas. Let us know what you think. Until next time, stay curious.